Here are the top 10 plants with almost supernatural abilities. 10. Sensitive plant. Closes when touched. 9. Pitcher plant. Produces digestive liquid. 8. Sundew plant. Uses sticky glue to trap insects. 7. Resurrection plant. Comes back from being completely dry. 6. Mimosa pudica. Folds in seconds. 5. Ghost plant. Lives without chlorophyll. 4. Telegraph plant. Moves leaves on its own. 3. Venus flytrap. Counts trigger hairs. 2. Corpse flower. Releases heat and odor. 1. Monkey cup plant. Creates deep natural pictures. Plants can behave in ways that feel alive.